Going
into the water, I guess, to warm up for the big quick jump.
Alright.
Yeah. That we're both doing. Yeah.
I'm not doing it. But what is Bud doing? What is Buddy doing? Andy, what are you doing?
Turning my feet.
Huh? You're a pussy. Woohoo! Yeah, he already jumped. You missed it. Come on, Eddie. Come on, Eddie. Oh. Okay, yeah, it is a little cold. Oh. Oh, it's... Oh, the way. Huh? Yeah. So what? It's nice. Oh. Big wave. Come on, Andy. Come on, come on. Back up there again. Hey Joe, should we do a little dunk?
Alright.
Alright. Hold on. Let me mentally prepare a little bit. Woo! It's cold.
Okay, it's not that good.
The water's so nice though. And the waves are nice too. Alright. On this next big wave. Ready? That's so that wasn't a big one. Here goes tail.
What about? All this water be salty to taste.
Huh?
All this water is salty.
Did you drink it?
It's on my lips. On the top of my tongue. Alright. Might begin diving soon.
You're gonna go dive?
Yeah.
You're gonna go jump?
Yeah.
Already?
A little bit.
Come on, man.
Probably just chill.
So what? Go swim to that rock. Oh, Andy's over there too. Oh, so he can come out with us. The water's nice. What?
Is he about to jump again?
I don't know. I see him right there. Yeah, I don't know if he's gonna jump or not. Let's see. Oh, there's another place over there. I might go over there too. Just cause it's a little less high.
I'm gonna start small and then build up to that.
I'm not going up there.
Oh, I'm doing it.
Did I ask?
Maybe. Yeah, I'm feeling one.
It's nice. Let's go to that rock. There's nobody there. Andy, we're gonna go over there. I can't touch the ground.
Oh, that's how you know.
Go, Isaiah! Oh, God. Oh, yeah. I can't touch the ground. Water got in my nose. What? Yeah. I feel like there's a little fish under me. Hold on, stop.
Put it in your pocket?
Forgot I had it in there.
Oh no, it's okay. That waterproof comes a certain amount. Get it out of your case. Hey, I'm gonna go in the middle.
I just gonna follow your pocket and like.
I've wet mine before. Just make sure it's like you're out of the case and then shake the water out of the charging port.
How do I shake it out?